Look at this. It's a mug with a cover made of bamboo and a little bit of accent made also of bamboo. Okay. Well, this is very specialized. Oh, Herald Express! Woohoo! Uy, shout out pala sa napaka-solid, napaka-patas na media dyan sa Baguio City, the Herald Express. Sila yung tipong media na talagang binubusisi muna at sinicheck yung detalye, the authenticity of the news. Wow! Oh, thank you very much! Meron ba siyang steerer? Oh? Steer it up. Tum, 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 tum. Little darling. You just have to open it. Tingnan mo nga naman. Kasi pag nasa Baguio ka, kailangan yung mug mo may cover. Why? Because it easily gets cold. And then, meron pang steer. Lagay mo dyan. Tapos meron siyang, Hindi din nabubuhos yung ano. Herald Express, thank you for your fair media, your practices. Actually, nakausap ko pa yung kanilang respondent. Ako respondent. Yung correspondent nila. Halimutan yung pangalan niya. Napakabait na bata, napakatalino. Tsaka napakapatas magbigay ng information. Hindi sila yung basta-basta lang nagre-release kung premature pa yung balita. Parang binabalidate po nila. At hindi naman kasi porket media ka, kung anong nalinig mo, bibigay mo na lang, isi-share mo na lang agad. Tandaan ninyo, being just a media is different from being a responsible media. Tandaan po ninyo yan, ha? Bato-bato sa langit ang matamaan ay huwag maganit. Kaya lang, ang problema natin ngayon dito kasi sa social media, lahat na ay media, kaya na social media, run by the people, the society. Pero napaka-bias naman kasi ng iba. Anyway, I'm not talking about what happened, literally, but this message addressed to those who actually media na dapat yung tama, yung hindi tayo nag-i-influence na masama. At hindi tayo nag-i-influence ng hatred, or nag-influence ng isang side bias. Huwag ganun, ha? Especially kung hindi nyo kaibigan or merong, huwag ganun. Kasi yung iba, may iba kasi na napaka-gullible eh. Alam bang meaning ng gullible? Nang mabilis maniwala. Mabilis maniwala, hindi naman taga-totoo. And ang pinaka-worst sa social media, yung nakita lang nila clips, for example. Kung nakita nila yung headline lang, hindi naman nila chinek yung sa ilalim, and then nag-judge agad. Yun ang masama doon. Kaya sa lahat na mga media, challenge ko sa inyo, pwera doon sa mga talagang magagaling na media, magagaling yung kanilang values and principles in bringing the news and justice, fair treatment to the public, quality service that people actually are supposed to be receiving. Congratulations po sa inyo. Isa na kayo doon, Herald Express. 10 years ata ito nila. 10 years anniversary. And you will live long. Okay? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Yung franchise na nyo, i-extend natin yun.